before I could come up, show me what you got.
Okay, I got. Okay, I'll do the EX for the end. Okay, I got.
What kind is the pack?
Attack.
No, the pack. What kind of pack was it?
The pack. I heard attack. Okay, so it's XY Primal Clash.
Okay.
Okay, I have Drober, 60 HP and 10 times damage. I have Manectric, 100 HP, 30 or 70 damage. I have this Skitty. I haven't seen this form before. It's kind of like has this really realistic grass, and it has 50 HP and does 20 damage. Wait, let me see this. Charm. During your opponent's next turn, any damage done by this attack from the defending Pokemon is reduced by 20 before applying weakness and resistance. Okay, so that's Skitty. Rhyhorn is 80 HP and 40 damage. Let's see. Honedge, I think. I haven't seen this one before.
Honedge.
Honedge. I think I have the evolved form of it. Okay,
Wait.
It's 60 HP and does 0 damage. But now the Pokemon is confused. Okay, Electrive.
Need focus.
60 HP and 20 damage. Defeat. No, that's the X. Okay. Bunnelby. What does that one say?
Bunnelby.
Bunnelby. 60 HP and 0 damage. Another Electrive, but this time, this one is some form that I haven't seen before. It has 50 HP and does 10 damage. And now, my EX.
It was too dramatic. Let's see.
Gardevoir EX. 170 HP, 20 or 100 damage. And it is my first Fairy EX.
Nice.